Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka Bharatiya Janata Party Meghalaya Pradesh ka penyotrik kelalingkot Hajar Pausan kelaplat patba ka manifesto lanika matrekam na kabentak election syaka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council bach ka Jainti Hills Autonomous District Council kabansalong ka puwitrik urempang Hajar Pausan. Kakum gani ka matrekam laplat patba du president ka party Urik Manji Moment ka BJP ka Kular balada yot ha ka executive committee hakini ki arli ka Autonomous District Council kan penyono daga jing Siew tulap iki Khlei no sin sharbat ka Kular ban ajing rap pisa hadu Hajar tingka si Bnai ki Nongbylla Sngi kom ki nong trekenta ki nong nya taxi kilong kemi bela khlat no ukurim kilong kemi ki bekershan dala de yala de ye ki bawan sepentre kamling bagi dor basnong. Namar kajing hial pelat ka khajna na kajing kayu doyong ka BJP ka Kular ban sedang no ya kajing ti doyong kat kum kajing betha jang kajing bishal Supreme Court ban penki kajing yo lum khajna jang ki Autonomous District Council. Nalo kata ka BJP ka Kular ban penek pensa ya ka culture jang ka jela nalo kajing pen khlan ya kajing sumar dawai ken ban rengkat kajing trelang ba ka Ministry of Ayush ka Sarkar India. Ka BJP ka Kular ru ban thong da ka committee ka ban khmi bnya ya jing pintre kam ya ki scheme pat ba hapo ki Autonomous District Council ba ka Kular ru ba ki Autonomous District Council ken pinmi ya katlan ka ban khmi bnya halo ka jing baitingka na ka bintawan sengkam sengjam jogi samna tra jilla ki ban nang start haringkat ka jing trelang ba ki CM ki deloy ba ki dor basnong. Halo ka jing penbet thama ya ka 6 schedule ka BJP ka Karanshai bakan buddi ni ka mat kanawan penkiu ya ka jing non jeng ki MDC basyuse hapo andro Bnai pat ha ka juga por ka BJP ka dawa bu we MDC panchuse udi benlong we UCM ha ki HEDC pat we daloy haji HEDC. Ka BJP ka Kular ru bakan wanra ada ki buit thama ben penmi pisah na ki cebok jaban ki bami naman la ki hima bat ki elaka bat ban ajing arab marmar na ka council na ka bentaban the de ki kor ki bor ki bela ban penyaklat ya ki nyut bagi cebok jaban. Syuk ka BJP ka Kular ru ban wanra ka thongkam thongjam ka bakhoj hapo ki Autonomous District Council.
Indeed, another day, special occasion for Meghalaya BJP Pradesh that we are able to gather here today, especially after me being re-elected as the state president. I welcome all the candidates of the party for upcoming MDC election and I extend my best wishes to you. May you come out with flying colors. Every election is important. And this election is also very important for the party and for that reason I will like to congratulate the manifesto committee under Dr. Bernadette Lindo as the convener that in a very short span of time she and her team were able to come up with the manifesto. I urge each candidate to make use of all the uses that party is raising and to reach out to every voters to convey the message of the works that party intends to do if voted. The task may be huge, but all candidates are now the image of the party and that we humbly bow to the needs of the electorate through each one of you. As a political party in Meghalaya that has been encouraging our grassroots caricatures to take party activities seriously so that we are able to serve the weakest section of the society, and there is no doubt that if we use our intention and skills efficiently, we will win any election in the state of Meghalaya.
Governing kong ba party ka propose na kita ke MDC kalau ban penyo daga tulok siya ki Khlei nong sanchar kung ki sorta ban ki nong wasno kabaar ban ai jingarap Hajar tingka si Bnai siya ki Nongbylla Sngi kung ginong tray kanta kinongnya taksi ki belakang lok kinong kami bekerjaan delati ban pentrekam banyak an pentrekam bagi dorbar nong kabalai banyak pala ka khajna nakakam khai doyong ka BHP ka Kular ba andai ban sedang no ya ka kam ti doyong kat kum ka jingtha jong ka yeng ka shari ba Khlei do jong ka ri krang ban penkiu ya ka jing yo nong jong ki council ka pasau sarong ya la ka jong kanong ka wei na kilat ban kentiu ya ka kam chngok kai bat ban kentiu ya ka culture jong ka jela ka pesan ban penkhlan ya ka jing ai smart dawai kembak haringkat ka jing lang bat ka tanat sarkar ka ayush ministry ka bahan riu bantung ya ka komiti ban khmi punya ya ka jing pentre ya ka skim pat ba apo ke district council kabanyo ka district council kan pemi ya ka tanat ban khmi punya halor ka jing bai tingka na banta ban sengkam ki samla tradi balanang lasa haringkat ka jing lang bat ki skim ki doloi bat ki dor barsno ban bodin ya ka jing penkala ya ka khngit ban riu khlang ban penkil ya ki MDC bashutu hapo andriu Bnai bat ka parti ka dawa bawai MDC bashutung udai bandai usin hapo ka KHDC ban wei pat udaloi ha JHDC ka bakhnai ban wara daki but mai ban pensei so ya ki jabok jaban ki bami hakiman ki hima bat ki ilaka bat ban ai jingara bet naka council manthie igi ko ki bor ban pen separate igi nyut bat ka bishpo ban wara ya ka rukom thungkam thungjam ka bakhut hapo ki district council te kini gilong ki mat ki baka party ka bu hakmat jong ki padba na ka bakar ka election MDC bat ni kermen ba ki padba kinaila ya ka party BJP ba company de ki kam nomor lada ki padba ki pajet ke ini ban peni ki kam tingi tempat lemba ini i jing terwa bagi padba ke sobha ban aila ki candidate singi bakin push ka thong da ka budget ya ka party da banyon ha ka sha jong tu patma lotus